Hello everyone, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In this video, I'll be talking about my favorite live wallpaper application which I am using in most of my smartphones. So definitely friends, you have seen in my channel I got plenty of mobile phones, and in all of the mobile phones I do have this one common live wallpaper which is my all-time favorite. So in this video I'll be exploring this application, and definitely you can try all these live wallpapers even in your smartphone as well. So try to join in my Telegram group. In my Telegram group I'll post the direct APK as well. So in the Telegram group you can find various APKs for each and every application as well friends. So let's get started with this application name, what it is called. So you can find the application in the Play Store as well, so which will be on the name of live wallpapers 4K wallpapers. So just remember this icon. So there will be different 4K live wallpapers if you just type there, but out of that this icon is a must, as you can see. So which is from the HD Pro walls. They have developed it, and they got plenty of other wallpapers as well, but these are most recommended wallpapers in my channel. Definitely friends, I did plenty of videos on this one as well, and finally recently few of the users, they do ask me which wallpapers I'm using. So that's why I thought of reviewing this wallpaper again. So if you're watching first time this channel, do subscribe to my channel Sai Tech Guru, and also do check the links in description for other wallpapers on punch holes and notch devices as well. So the first advantage with this application is that you can see right now there's a small video is playing in the background, but this video is playing in a loop, so which makes you feel like a live wallpaper video. It's a continuous rotation of the same video playing again and again. So the video size, this live wallpaper size, will be around close to 2 MB to 3 MB depending on the type of wallpaper you select. As you can see friends, this is the same wallpaper, it's playing again and again, and this one won't drain much of the battery because this is not using much battery or much performance as well. So let me try to open the wallpaper application so you can exactly know what are the features it does include. As you can see friends, first when you open the wallpaper application, you do get different categories which you want to select. So I would highly recommend you to go to this live wallpaper section, so where you got plenty of different modes where you can select as a live wallpaper. So for example, let me try to select this wallpaper. As you can see, it's loading right now, so it takes a couple of seconds to load for the wallpaper because it's downloading the wallpaper right now. So when you click this button, loading wallpaper, you can see the size of the wallpaper as well. So 3 MB is the size of the wallpaper. So now you can just set as a single mode, as you can see friends, which is very fast, so which gives you very unique feel whenever you use this kind of wallpapers. Definitely your friends gonna ask, first question is that what wallpaper you're using in your device. So this kind of unique looking wallpapers which makes your phone very attractive and stand apart from the crowd. So that's why I would highly recommend you to download this kind of wallpapers and try in your phone, and do let me know how is the battery is getting affected or not. But right now for me the battery is not getting affected much, definitely friends. So most of the wallpapers, they do have size 2 MB to 3 MB only, so not that much data will be consumed, but definitely as you can see, this is a very good looking wallpaper. And one good thing is that all the background will be black and only few areas will be on, so which can also save a little bit of battery as well, as you can see. So definitely check out this application friends in the Play Store, and try to join in the Telegram group if you want to know the free APKs for this application as well. So definitely I'll try to give you the free promo codes as well for the most of the Android applications. So try to join in the Telegram group for more interesting videos. So that's it for this video friends. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to check out this application, so which will be available in the Play Store as well. And for more videos, do subscribe to my channel Sai Tech Guru. So see you in the next video. Until then, bye.